Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Thursday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 17th of July 2025. The US Dow Jones increased 0.53%, settling the day at 44,254.78, while the Nasdaq ended the session at 20,730.49, increasing 0.25%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 39,578.82 and Hang Seng is trading at 24,547. Gift Nifty is currently trading at 25,268, indicating a start in the red for the Indian market. FII sold 1,858.15 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 1,223.55 crore in the last trading session. HDFC Bank to consider bonus shares, special dividend on July 19th. Trump, US nearly finalized trade deal with India, eyeing Europe next. Now talking about global aspects, US crude oil inventories fell by 3.9 M barrels, much more than the forecasted 1.8 M decline. US PPI rose 2.3% year-over-year, below the forecast of 2.5% and prior 2.7%. WTI fell 0.2% to $66.38 a barrel, and Brent fell 0.3% to $68.52 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 98.20. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.43%, up. Here is a recap of Wednesday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices closed in the green for the second consecutive session, recovering from a weak start driven by global concerns, including rising US inflation and renewed tariff threats from former President Trump. However, domestic sentiment improved following positive trade data, as India's trade deficit narrowed in June 2025 for the first time in 3 months. Outlook for today: Nifty 50 ended in green for the second consecutive session, recovering from a weak start. The index holds key psychological support at the 25,000 zone, remaining above the 55-day and 100-day EMAs. A breach below this support could lead to a drop towards 24,800. Immediate resistance is at 25,300, with a breakout potentially triggering a rally to 25,500. Positional traders may consider buying on dips near support levels. Bank Nifty ended positively for the second straight session, maintaining above 57,000 level. The index has made a doji candle on the daily chart, and it holds above the 21-day and 55-day EMAs. The 56,700-56,775 level, aligning with the 21-day EMA, offers strong support. As long as this level holds, a buy on dip strategy is advisable. On the upside, 57,400 acts as key resistance, with a breakout above it potentially triggering a move toward 57,800. Stocks on the radar: bullish view, Patanjali, Dabur, Angel One, Uno Minda; SBI bearish view, NHPC, Eternal, Bajaj Auto, Infosys, Colpal. Trade of the day is bullish on JSW Energy, buy at 533, stop loss 515. Target 570. Rationale: bullish reversal. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purposes. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.